Hey guys, welcome back to HPI Auto. This is Evan, and I have an update on the alignment brackets for the Porsche sports cars. So it's been a while, and I apologize for the delay, but I wanted to make sure that we got the part right, and that was gonna be a good product to release out to the public. So a little recap, if you haven't seen that video, the alignment, there's brackets on the control arms in the rear of the car that tend to break and crack. And in Porsche, you can only buy the actual control bracket, which is an extremely expensive part and a very labor-intensive job. So we went out, had engineers and machine work, stuff like that done to figure out a solution to where instead of paying thousands and thousands of dollars to replace that whole control arm, we can replace just a piece. So when you get the package, it'll come in a box similar to this, and they are color-coded, a red and a clear, and that's because there are a slight difference in the two, which you can see visibly for the front of the control arm and the rear of the control arm. As you can see here, it's a nice anodized aluminum bracket with our logo and then our partner logo as far as the parts and engineering goes. One for the, and then here's the other one. You can see the slight differences, but like I said, we have the color-coded bags just so you can tell the difference pretty quickly. These literally just, you can pop the old ones off. The little tab right there is all that holds them on. So you can just pop the old ones off after you pull the bolt out, the eccentric bolt, pop these on there, and you're good to go. So there's no removing suspension components, something like that. Now you will need to align the car afterwards, of course, because this is where your bolt rides to adjust the alignment on the car. This is something that we've worked really hard on, and it seems crazy that a piece so simple takes so long to come up with a solution for, but we have it now, and we're excited to kind of roll this out. Also have a few more products in the pipeline that we're starting to ramp up with. My whole goal here and with this facility is to be different, and instead of just replacing everything, finding the problem, finding a solution that's cost prohibitive and fixing these cars instead of replacing this whole entire subframe piece. This is what breaks. Let's just keep it simple, replace this piece. So that's what I'm setting out to do. It's kind of a passion of mine, and so I hope to be rolling out more parts like this that can help everybody out, whether you're running a full-blown shop or you're working out of your garage. So yeah, these will be available. Just send us a text, an email, a call, whatever. Happy to set this up for you and look forward to what's coming in the future. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great rest of the day.